Hi guys, this is a Christmas season. We are back. It is what it is. We are cooking omtwe. Guys, omtwe with steamed mutwe with vegetables, rice. If you know that you can't eat steamed mutwe, we are not going to manage our company again and again. It's Price YouTube channel yanje. Subscribe. After that recipe we have seen, then guys, we have a new recipe. We have matoke and we have
spaghetti, chili and tomatoes.
So we are going to get our nyanya and carrots. If you know that you can't eat steamed nyanya and carrot, you are not going to manage our company. It's Price YouTube channel and subscribe. Guys, the recipe is done, but we cannot forget our rice and green pepper plus our spaghetti. It is what it is.